Alright, so I know I missed a week. My hair probably looks crazy. I had like a super long little like hiatus because my basement flooded. I had some stuff to do over the weekends. I didn't really get much time to work on the cars or get any parts, but I'm more excited on what I actually did get in the mail. Yeah, so my main water supply to my hot water heater broke, so it flooded my basement completely. So I spent all day pumping it out. That was no fun. Had some stuff to do on the weekends. Been working some extra hours on the weekends to fund these cars. I know Mason's been ordering parts. I just ordered a part for him with my PayPal last night. So we should definitely be getting back on the shovel. But I'm making this video mostly for what I got in this box right here from Amazon. So yeah, this came in on Friday and I've been out all weekend, but I'm super excited to open this. And said I was gonna buy it for a while. I'm sure the title of the video will pretty much give away what it is. So that's what we got. I've been saying it since we hit 400 followers or subscribers that I'll get a wide angle, and finally was able to get some time and some money to order one up. Yeah, I wound up going with the Tamron 17 to 24 wide angle. I was back and forth between this and like the Sony 20mm. They're almost the same price, but I feel like for what I need, the zoom on the Tamron is going to come in handy rather than a prime lens. I'm not like a huge camera guy, but I do know a little bit about it, and I feel like the zoom function on a lens like this is going to be a little bit more useful for what I do than a prime lens. So yeah, it just comes with the lens and directions. No bag or anything for it, but it's whatever. I think we're just gonna go ahead and throw it on the camera and see what we got. I'm too excited to just talk about it anymore, and I'm not really like a camera specifications guy, so let's just throw it on. So just for reference, this is like me with my arm extended with the lens fully open on this kit lens for an A7 III. So give me a second and I'll swap it over to this new one. So then off the bat, then this is the Tamron lens on the camera. So I won't really know how it looks super well until I get it into my computer at all and start editing this video, but just from the viewfinder and the screen, I can already tell the angle is way better. I'm capturing way more of the background. This is just what I was looking for to really take our videos to like the next level, especially with this vlog style stuff that I do. It's just gonna be way better like in the car. I can see the whole back of the car. You know what I mean? Instead of it being zoomed in, like if I need to get in the back, I mean, obviously it's not lit very well right now, but like if I need to get in the trunk, like I can see the whole trunk while I'm standing here, rather than having so much stuff cropped in and out of it. I'll probably just shoot some stupid little B-roll in here just to show you guys this lens. But yeah, just off the bat, I can already tell this is gonna be super good for the channel. Just from messing around with it for a little bit, the autofocus is really fast. I mean, for being a cheap lens, the autofocus is super fast. Manual focus gears kind of sound a little wonky, like a little plasticky, but it is a sub $1,000 lens for a full frame. So, I mean, it is a cheap lens, don't get me wrong. I'm just doing a little comparison. I'm back on the kit lens. I'm gonna stay in the same exact position, and then I'm gonna switch over to the new lens, and it'll show you how much wider of a field of view it has, and you can just understand what this is gonna do for our videos and just make it so much better for those vlog type shots. Inside the car, you're just gonna get a lot more of the image. I'm just gonna capture a lot more of what I'm trying to show you guys. So yeah, this is the kit lens. I'm gonna switch over to the wide lens. So now this is what I'm capturing on my wide lens. Same exact position. Now I can see the whole car's in the frame. I think the aperture on this lens stops all the way down to 2.8, so it should be good for in here too. Pretty low light stuff. I mean, I'm still gonna need to get better lighting for when I'm working in the car and stuff. I gotta figure something better out. Probably do some more lights in the ceiling like I said before, but this should definitely help out with the darkness of all our clips in the videos. And also, I usually use like this little tripod. I'll take it off. I usually use one of those little like Gorilla Pod type tripods. Now I can actually just hold the body, which is much like the setup that I use is pretty heavy actually, and this just lightens it up a bunch. This lens, I can't tell if it's lighter or not, but it definitely feels a little bit lighter. But yeah, quick status report on the E36 after I've driven it to work a few times. I drove it up to like a little meet up the street, which I might bring the camera out for the next one. I mean, there's some really good stuff. It's mostly old cars, but there's some cool stuff to look at over there. So far, I have no leaks on the two fuel sending units, or the pump and the sending unit, so I think I gotta throw those covers back on. I do want to ball out and get carbon covers for it or something cool, but it's really unnecessary right now. I ran into an issue where it wouldn't start. I would just get like a click, but it was just my positive terminal being a little loose in there. I still need to get a battery hold down for that bad. I don't like driving around with the battery just kind of like bouncing around in the trunk. Battery tender's still on it. Hasn't given me any issues since the fuel leak that I had, so that's always a plus. And the next time Mason's over, we're gonna do like a little bit of diag work on that clicking sound I'm getting when I'm taking off. Not really sure what it is. I'm assuming it's just like a CV axle or something stupid like that. But I'm not too worried about it, to be honest. So it'll be fine for now. Yeah, I went over all the stuff that has to get done to that. And then this, I was talking to, his name's like Mopar 1973, man, some dude out in Idaho. If you have a second gen, you've probably been on his website before. He's leaning more towards APPS sensor in this, so I'll order one up for that soon. So I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop on what's going on. A bunch of stuff coming. Super hype on this purchase. Let me know in the comments if you guys like this lens more. Yeah, thanks for checking out this quick little update. Make sure you like it, make sure you comment, make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you on the next one.